One, two. All right. Boom, boom. All right. How are you guys? How is everybody doing? Uh, Sorry. Good morning. Good morning from Europe. Good morning, mate. How are you? Big, big, big jump on the Japanese yen overnight, right? I didn't trade the Asian session yesterday. I had some issues, but we had the monetary policy statement out of the Bank of Japan that I haven't read, to be completely and utterly honest with you. And today we only have core retail sales out of Canada. Today's the 20th. Good morning, Nepal and Europe in the house. Good morning, Hunter. Beacon, have a good effects to the moon. Yes. Let's try and find out something that we can actually trade, shall we? Now, I am still looking for gold longs. Now, I missed my entry. This is, let me show you. Good morning, Sandor. I'm going to do a very, very, very long show today. Well, not a long show, but, I'm going to do the preparation that I do for the London Open with you guys right now because I'm looking for longs on gold at the London Open. Pretty possibly we are going to get that. Now, this is what I'm looking at. Pretty obvious changing character here in this market right here. Now, this hasn't broken with the structure just yet. Yeah, if I'm looking at this chart correctly, let's go to the 3 minute chart actually, because I might have missed the boat here, mates. So VIP swing trade GBP USD stop loss hit. Yeah, but that's only one trade. Why are you fucking seeing on one single trade? Stop putting so much money on your trading. Damn it, Rahim. Why are you crying for? I mean, if you know how to manage risk, the most that you lost on that trade was 1% made. What the fuck are you crying when we already made 5% on our pound US dollar longs and it's running at a 2% profit? Stop putting so much damn money, so much risk into your trading. You'll be fine. Stop crying about the outcome of one single trade. Don't be such results oriented. That fucking infuriates me, right? What the hell, man? And if you are not in the correct mindset, then trading is not for you. Cash out your money and stop trading because you're going to burn everything that you do on the other side of your life, right? This is not a game, people. This shit is hard, and losses are part of the fucking game. You need to accept that. You're never going to find, 100% trading, profitability or whatever, right? Now, you know, get your shit together. Yeah. This is hard love, man. You need to understand that if I don't tell you this, no one will, and you're going to continue on the wrong side of things. And I haven't had a sip of my coffee just yet. Wait till I'm caffeine up. Woo! Gold. Right. Now. All right. So, cool things are coming to people that wait. So, there's a couple of things that I want to see here. I mean, to be truly and completely and utterly honest with you, I don't see a possible. Well, yes, I do see a possible play here. Should be here. This is the demand area, or the block order candle that I'm looking at for possible longs. Right? I am going to use this because it's a demand zone. So this is what I'm looking at. Of course, let me see. Let me put on my power buy zones to just pinpoint because we also have a gap here, right? So if this is the high of the move, right? Let me just put on a tag here and on tag everything else. I don't have anything else tagged. Right, so this should be green because I do have one trade running on the pound USD. Now this is my power buy zone, and I mean we do have some kind of an imbalance here at the top of my power buy zone. Should be this. Let me show you. I'm going to thicken this chart out for you like this, right? So here is an imbalance that I see. So here's the imbalance that I'm looking at on the 3 minute chart. Exactly that. Of course, there's another imbalance here, right? I'm going to point out those imbalances for you, actually, guys. Everything is possible here, but my power buy zone should be around the 1788 in gold. This is what I'm looking for. Yeah, and the reason that I'm looking for this is because of, I mean, we are looking for longs after this big move to the upside yesterday, right? Now, yesterday, by what I was looking at yesterday, I think not. I don't remember. I'm not gonna point out what happened yesterday, because we have less than 15 minutes until the market opens. What I'm also looking at is this, guys. Possible shorts. I mean, I'm gonna play either side of this market right here. So if I see some kind of an inducement, right, at the top of this, at above these highs right here, I will play the short side in this market if I see something like this. This is what I will look for. Anyways, we need to see the actual volume when the market opens. Pound USD. So I'm going to delete everything here. Pound US dollar. I don't see anything really, really, really good on the pound USD side. Maybe longs. Let's have a look here on my other screen. Oh, yeah, I don't see anything. I mean, this is very, very rangy, right? So perhaps, I don't know, perhaps. Right, if we look at the actual move to the downside, we should be looking at here as a supply zone. So if that, my friends, is a supply zone, actually, this doesn't look so bad. This doesn't look so bad, in my opinion. So let's have a look at this. Let's see how this trade develops. How this trade develops. This should be somewhere in the vicinity of that. So what I would be looking for. December is always the worst month for trading of the year. Listen, there are some good opportunities out there, but I agree with you. It's tough because, historically speaking, volatility just rise up. So I am possibly going to take a short here at the break of this lows on the GBP USD for a small 2.3 R or so. It depends, right? It depends. I'm not. I mean, this market is very bearish actually on the short term. Yeah, shorts look good actually. I am going to be taking. I am going to place a. Anyone here that does trading for a living? Myself. All right, so I'm going to place this. Let me see the 5 minute chart just to be sure of what I'm looking at. What I like about this is this. I mean, the market already swept this liquidity. Yeah, shorts are in play at the moment. I am going to take a 0.5%, 0.5% trade here on the pound US dollar. So heads up, guys. About to place that. Yeah, about to place that after the mitigation on that. On that. GBP USD, what is it? GBP USD 0.5%, guys. You know, there's no need. Right on the. I'm gonna go to the 5-minute chart right here. Charts. Let's go. See. So, 121.40. 121.40, 121.67. So I am going to 121.40, 121.67. So I am going to trade with a 0.5% risk right now. That makes it for a risking 27 pips to make 55 pips, so that's good. I'm gonna wait a little bit just to place that order. Actually, I'm going to put my my sell stops at a oh boy, right, 0.10. I'm placing it on the account that track the VIP sell stop. And I am targeting the lows of the move at the 120. What the fuck is this? I don't remember. 120.90, not to be 120.90 with 1.20.90, just to be, if price breaks with this, then that's fine. I don't get on the trade, right? But we are good. So this is a risking 27. 50. That's a 2R. I'm gonna eyeball it at 2R. At 121.40, guys. 1.2140. Stop loss at 121.67, and TP at 120.90. For a 2R, risk is 0.5%. I'm not risking more than 0.5%. I mean, this trade might be invalidated at the open, but we will still be looking for shorts, in my opinion, because the structure is bearish at the moment, guys. Below this zone of demand, of course, the structure is bearish. We do also have tons of liquidity here, about waiting just to get stripped. That's one of the possible trades. I mean, if a price rallies above my my entry zone, that's fine. That's why, I mean, that's the other reason that I'm using sell stops, is because we are about to see the London Open. Why the Japanese yen rally that much? We're gonna go through that, but it has to do with the Japan interest rate decision, mate. I haven't looked at the data just yet. I just woke up 30 minutes ago. It's 1:53 a.m. here. Yes, Tim, it sent all the VIPs. Now we have the GBP USD. I'm not keen of trading the Japanese yen at the moment. After this move, I think that we missed everything, so I'm not even going to look at the Japanese yen market. I am, however, going to look at the possible long golds, right? This failure swing high. Now, this is a cool thing, guys, because this failure swing high, if the market opens lower, right, this failure swing high is going to be key for those pullbacks towards my zone. All right, so there you go. Let's have a look at some other markets, right? The FTSE, the fucking FTSE. because we're trading the London Open, right? We should be looking at the FTSE. Now, what the hell is wrong with the FTSE, you might add? I don't know. Let's have a look at the 3-minute chart. I'm gonna put the GBP USD here on the on my other chart here, just because we do have a pending order on it, right? Now the FTSE. Oh, some big gaps here on the FTSE, right? Big imbalances here on the FTSE, here and here. All of this is imbalance. No, sorry. I mean, yeah. Listen, we're going to talk about the Japanese yen later because it's interesting. The Japanese yen has been falling for years, but because of the monetary policies of the Bank of Japan, that's not an issue. Yesterday's rally was because of the interest rate decision out of the Bank of Japan, which I haven't read. I haven't read the interest or the monetary. I haven't read anything. I just woke up. But we're going to do that together. So hold the fuck up. So the FTSE, guys. The FTSE. I don't know what to say about the FTSE. I don't see anything. I don't see anything other than maybe long. I mean, the sentiment of this market is bearish. So I want shorts, right? I trade with the trend. The sentiment of this market is bearish. I want shorts. We might just have missed the shorts, but there's a big imbalance here. And there's absolutely some big supply zones. Supply zones around, I'm going to eyeball it around here. So, will the FTSE make all the way up to those? No, I don't think so. But what can happen, mates, is this. There's a ton of sell-side liquidity here. Ooh. You had a buy on the wow, so you got stopped out. Well, it happens, mate. I mean, I don't know what to say. I have no clue what to say about the FTSE other than we have liquidity here. I don't see anything tradable, anything that hasn't been already mitigated. For example, if we go to the very low time frames, the 1-minute chart, and focus on this price action itself, the zone that was mitigated twice already was this right here. The supply area has been mitigated twice already, so we might already miss that move. So what we want here, to be completely honest, if we are still looking for shorts, that's it. If we are still looking for shorts, we want price to break with these lows right here, take out this liquidity, right, and then come back up towards this gap right here, and then we will create look for an entry, because this zone is dead to me. Yep, we do have a big gap here, but let's wait and see. We're about to get filled on those GBP USD shorts players. Heads up to that. Oh boy. We are about to get filled. Yeah, we're going to wait for that FTSE, but let's have a look at the DAX. Ooh, well, same fucking thing on the DAX, right? But let's see if we can find an actual tradable zone here on the DAX. On the DAX. On the DAX. On the DAX. So, I'm sleepy still. I'm gonna, you know what? I have 2 minutes until the market opens, so I'm going to record the video for my VIPs, explaining my thought process on this short, right? So please be quiet. Hola, hola. Yeah. All right, traders. How are you? Why don't we go through that pound US dollar short that I'm currently looking for, right? So what I'm looking at is pretty simple. I'm trying to capitalize on the big move to the downside that we saw from the Asian session, right? So I don't have the Asian highs. These are the Asian highs. These are the Asian lows on my charts. Very possibly that we are going to go down to mitigate those Asian lows, just to see an inducement that is going to create that big move to the upside. So I want to capitalize on that possible move, right? Now, the reason that I'm short here is because price already took this buy side liquidity and mitigated that supply zone that I have on my chart. I'm not short yet. That's why. I'm sorry. That's why I also have the market just open. Now, that's also why I have sell stops in place, and there's tons of buy side liquidity that has been built up. So, because I've studied the London Open for these cases, this is what I'm expecting. Right, I hope you heard about that. That is exactly what I'm looking for. Did the market open? What time is it in London? Oh boy, hold on. Right, just have a look at the FTSE. I told you about the FTSE. It's very bad that we didn't. Oh boy, now it's in play. Holy shit. All right, people, be careful with that FTSE. We are about to trade the FTSE. All right, so let me go to my MT4 here. Now, hear me out. The FTX 100, the UK 100, I'm sorry, FTX. We wouldn't be trading the FTX, right? So what I'm looking for here, what is that I'm looking for? Hold on, let me see. All right, so I'm gonna put a sell limit at a 73.16 or so. So basically, this is where I'm going to be placing my sales. Here is the created demand supply zone that I'm going to trade, right? So basically, what I want is price to hit my zone. Let's see if it is on my power sell area. If this is the low, perfect. Now, let's hope that we get filled. So basically, I am looking at, let me see, on my chart, on my MT4. Hold on, on my MT4. So 73.27 on my MT4 with stop losses above the highs 73.35. I don't understand. I don't remember. So 73 what? 73.27. 73.27 and 73.35. All right, this is nice. So I am going to risk again just a 0.5%. I am going to put on that trade 0.3 lots. So limit at 73.27, 73.27, 73.35. Stop loss 73.35. And I'm going to take profits all the way down here, mate. All the way to the downside of that move. 72.97. 72.97. All right, there you go. So that gives me a very nice, almost 4-hour trade on the FTSE. On the fucking FTSE. All right, so this is the only way that I will be trading the FTSE short, guys. The only fucking way. If the FTSE decides to go lower, then I won't be on the trade. This gets a little bit volatile sometimes. And also, if the FTSE breaks with these lows, I will be deleting my order, right? because I mean, if the FTSE makes a new lower low, it's obvious that we are not going to go all the way up to this supply zone. That's obvious, right? Now I'm gonna send this to my VRPs. I'm going to send a ton of VIP trades today. Some trades I'm going to delete the orders. Some trades will be filled. Let's have a look at that pound US dollar, how the pound US dollar is doing. I want to look at the lower time frames. We're about to get filled. Beauty. Think of beauty, mates. UK 100 sell limit at 73.27. Stop loss. Are you guys enjoying the show? Are you fucking enjoying the show or not? 73.35 and TP at 70. No. Stop loss at what? 72.97. 72.97. For a 4R. I'm gonna delete the order. The FTSE is gone. Yep, the FTSE is gone. Well, oh shit. You know what? I'm not gonna delete the order. Control Z. I'm not going to delete the order because I might just move it to the downside. Right. So if we look at the 5-minute chart, right. Let's look at the 1-hour chart. Let's look at the 1-hour chart because we might get something on the hourly chart. You know, if we get something a good demand zone. I mean, we are at a very strong demand zone. That's the thing. But I'm going to keep this alive for a minute. Yeah, I'm going to keep this alive. What I like about this is this. We do have liquidity being built up here, so it's possible that this week or very early shorts are going to get fucked. So let's wait and see what happens. I am going to send this as a 4R and a risk of 0.5%. You know, when I day trade, I don't risk more than the 0.5% because I do trade quite effectively. Right. There's no need. Right, there's no need. I'm gonna record the video for my VIPs. So I mean, if you have any questions, just go ahead and type it on the chat, mates. Do you use trailing stop or just big stop losses? I manage my trade. I don't use trailing stop. One advice: money management, 1%. Thanks, mate. Yeah, Crocodile. How is it so far? I don't know. That's awesome. Talk amongst yourselves. I like that. Hey, if you want to be part of my VIP team, you know, I have a discount code of 15% right here. You know, well, this is what we do. You know, this is what we do, guys. And if you want to be part of this, you know, who wouldn't want to be part of this? Just go here. I'm gonna give you the link. You can go here and subscribe. You use that code that will give you a 35%, a 15% discount. All right, traders, how are you? Why don't we have a look at what's going on here on the FTSE and why I'm decided to take those longs. So basically, the FTSE is very bearish. This is the 2-minute chart on the FTSE. So I've been trying to look for opportunities to get in short in this market. Now, before the open, guys, I saw price breaking with these lows. Let me just point it out. With these lows, taking out this sell side liquidity. Now, we are looking at buy side liquidity being built up here, and this unmitigated area of supply. This is a big area of supply, guys. We are, however, in a big area of demand in the higher time frames. So this is why I wanted it to be a quick trade, and I'm waiting for these players to get stopped out for me to get triggered in, and then to get in on the actual move to the downside. Now, remember, these are probabilities games, but But this is a probabilities game, so sometimes price is just going to continue to the downside without taking out these shorts, these early shorts. But the safest bet is to wait for these weak shorts to get stopped out before actually getting short yourself. That's the way that I trade. I always wait for weak players in the market to get stopped out before me getting in on the market. So hope this helps. Thank you, Sander, for the kind words, mate. I'm going to use this as a fucking marketing stunt. Thank you. Just sending this to my VIPs. So this is what you get when you're a VIP, right? This is what you get when you're a VIP. So I don't know, 116. Did I record it? Did I record this? I did, right? Yeah, I think I did. Well, if I didn't, well, that's fine. Yes, this is the UK 100. Oh boy. This is ASMR. All right. Uh-huh. Boom. So this is what you get when you are a VIP. All right, let's move on. Let's have a look at gold. Well, you know what? There you go, gold. So this is very, very interesting. Hold on. Let me just. I need to now put this on a red because I have two trades, two pending orders in the market. Um, About to get filled on that pound US dollar short, guys. Yeah. Uh, just a second. Just a second, guys, please. Any questions? Go ahead. I'm really interested to be member soon. I really like the way Orlando explained it, etc. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Listen, this is the cool thing, hold on. So this is the cool thing. When it comes to being a member, right? Yeah, you're always going to get those explanations from me, right? You're going to get um, uh, those videos with the actual setup, right? There you go. There you go. Come on, fill me in. Don't be such a dick. Don't be such a dick. Fill me in. Damn it! I knew it. Again, it fucking happened again. I didn't get filled for about 2 pips. Ah, this is fucking bullshit. Oh, this is bullshit. Well, I'm gonna wait. You know what? Could you give it a list of the trades you're waiting from? I arrived a bit late. Yeah, just to this. I'm just waiting for this pound US dollar short that I'm about to get triggered, and I'm waiting for to get triggered on my footsie short. That I have to stay true to my trading system. No, I am not going to sell at market. I stayed true to my entry model. My entry was a little bit higher, so I had to wait. And I have to wait to get triggered on this one. That's how I trade, mate. That's how I trade. I stay true to my entry model. These are the two trades I'm looking for. All right, maybe too much coffee for today. I'm gonna have a. I'm gonna have a. You know, this is my. This is the glass from my NutriBullet. You know, the blender thingy for smoothies, and I just use it for water. This might have just triggered me in. Yes, I am short the FTSE. I am short the FTSE, my friends. All right. I am short the FTSE. You know, just a 0.5%, just a 0.5% risk on this FTSE. Short. All right, so these are the two trades that I have on. Listen, Giovanni. You have to look at you have to watch the video and look at when it comes to CFDs. This is what I always tell you guys. You have to watch the videos that I create because um, yeah, because when it comes to CFDs, pricing differs from broker to broker, right? So you have to look at the videos. And this is the reason why I wait for my entry. Always look at the pound US dollar right there. But this is just this is liquidity being built up. My pound USD short is still very much in play. This is liquidity being built up, even though we do have liquidity being built up on both sides. But the FTSE trade, I love it. So this is how I trade also, guys. I love that FTSE trade is in profits at the moment. Looking very good. Congratulations, everybody, for the free money. Always stay true to your entry model. Always stay true to your entry model. Now, having said that, this is absolutely no given that we are going to make money on this trade, but I am still holding on to that trade because how strong this area to the upside is. So I'm going to let it ride, but I am in profits on my FTSE shorts, and I'm about to get triggered on those GBP USD loans. Now, I also have a time stop when it comes to trades, right? I have a time stop when it comes to trades. After 15 minutes, 20 minutes, you know, if a trade doesn't move in my direction and continues to range, then my trade idea has no valid edge. So I delete the order, right? And when I say it has no valid edge, I mean that it's a gamble, a 50-50. But I like that FTSE short, don't you guys? This is a great trade. FTSE shorts. Great trade. Right. So, here we go. I'm gonna leave the FTSE here. I'm gonna leave the FTSE here. You know, this is a 3-minute chart on the FTSE. We're trading the 1-minute chart. Looking very good. Looking very good. So this is already gone. This is already gone. So we can mark it as an X. This is liquidity that has been taken out. All right, and this is liquidity that has been taken out. Now I'm just waiting for this liquidity to be taken out. And me taking my fucking profits. But this is a cool trade, isn't it? Aren't you happy that you got in on my show? Now let's see how much I am up on the FTSE. Remember, I risked 0.5%, so right now I am at 1R in profit, so I'm going to take half off. I'm going to take half off here, 0.515. Yeah, I'm closing 50% off my FTSE shorts right now, guys, and moving my stops to break even. Welcome for the free trade, free money. You are welcome for the free fucking money. Closing 50% of my UK 100 shorts here. For I don't know. So it was 1 point. I don't know here for I don't know how many pips. Shit. 150 pips. All right, welcome for the free money. Money, 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 money. You know what? I'll play the fucking song. I'll play the song, man. Hold on, I'm playing a song.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar.
All right, so great trade. Shit. All right, so are you happy with what you just saw on the FTSE? If so, shoot me a message. This is what we do, mate. This is what we fucking do. Zero drawdown on this FTSE short. Zero. A fucking drawdown. I am going to take more off. All right, I'm going to take more off. I'm going to take half of the remaining here. So I'm going to take I'm going to take 75% of the remaining here and deleting TP for 200 pips. That's how I manage my trades. Taking 75. This is because we are at the lows, retesting the lows, right? Taking 75. No, actually it's 66% of the remaining UK 100 shorts here for 210 pips. Deleting TP. And just letting it ride, mate. Letting it ride. There you go. Boom. That's how you do it. That's how you manage your trades. Just let it ride. Take your profits in, let it ride. Take your profits in and let it ride. That's how I trade. That's how I trade. That's how I trade. So you're all welcome for the free money, even if you're paying for the VIP subscription. You want to trade with me every day? There's a 15% code waiting for you. It's called Show 15. This is the link. I'm gonna make a video out of this shit. I'm going to make a video out of this trade because wasn't it good? Did you like it or not? Did you like it or not? And just like that, I'm done trading for the fucking day. Well, I'm not done trading because if I see an opportunity like this one, this is the one I'm gonna take it, right? But now I've stopped looking at the FTSE, and I'm deleting the GBP USD order very possibly. Now, have a look at this. Gold is what's interesting at the moment to me. Now, gold is interesting at the moment. Let's go to the gold chart because there's a couple of things that I want to point out here, guys. And yep. First of all, let me just go ahead and You know what? I need to watermark this. So go ahead, ask your questions and ask your questions, guys. Please. I am going to just relax a little bit. Yeah, I'm about to. This is super choppy, and this lacks momentum. So when I say that the trade has no edge anymore, is because right now, because the London Open just happened, right, and we didn't get any momentum, right, to either side. So now the breakout could go anywhere, and I could get triggered in on a fakie and then get stopped out, and I don't want to give back my hard-earned money from the FTSE. So I'm just deleting this. And that's how you do it. And if eventually price breaks, to the downside on the GBP/USD, well, more power to those shorts. But I don't take trades where there's absolutely no edge. After. All right, so guys, any questions for fuck's sakes while we're here? Yeah, let's wait for some. All right, so I am out of this pound USD short idea. No edge here. I am going to watermark this chart. Well, Sandor Kovac, this is amazing news. I am also going to use that as marketing. Thank you. So yeah, we know. If you guys haven't noticed, we do know what the fuck is up. Right? We do know what the fuck is up. All right, so I'm going to watermark this because I am going to let everybody know that they missed on a massive trade. And I call it a massive trade because it was a good trade, wasn't it? I hope you guys made money. and the money. So but I need to watermark this because there's a ton of people that just steal our fucking content, mate. They say, I mean, the unwatermarked content, they steal it and they make it as their own. No boy. And or they just oh, this tray looks beautiful. I'm gonna show you. Hold on. Looks much better. It looks much better on the MT4, right? Look at this. Zero drawdown. Zero fucking drawdown. Yeah, I'm gonna make and so yeah, I'm tired of people stealing my shit, you know. I work hard to be able to trade like this, you know, and the people just using my shit to scam other people, you know, I can stand it. So I watermark everything, every fucking thing. All right, and all right, 20. Oh yeah, this is too bright. Oh yeah, now it's watermarked like shit. All right, so this is how I watermark it. Look at this. This is how I watermark it. I use this program. I mean, if you're into creating content, you know, Capwing is the best shit ever. You know, I'm not associated with it, but you know, I'm not a fucking designer. But this program, I mean, it's cheap. It's like $30 a month, and you can do everything here. I do all my YouTube videos here. You know, my thumbnails, all my Instagram content, everything. Oh yeah. So I'm going to let everybody know that they missed on a great fucking opportunity of trading live with me again. Uh, All right, so I'm going to quickly run just to let everybody know that they missed on that one, you know, and I'm gonna run you through what I'm looking at here in gold for today. Rakim says that it's not worth to be part of the VIP group, but the guy has been here with me for a fucking hour. And I bet you he made money on my UK 100 trade. Yeah. I find it funny, man. Yeah, I find it fucking funny. So Soren, one of my F1 traders, just chat with me because if you are an F1 trader, you are you have lifetime access to this chat with me. Only 25 qualified members have access to this chat because they bought the F1 strategy. And you can ask me directly things, right? And I make short videos for you, etc. This is pretty cool. So he asked me that to go again through the thought process on my UK 100, which I will. As soon as I let everybody know that they fucked up not to be because they weren't here. No, I don't think this is the one that's watermarked. Uh-huh. All right, hold on. My computer is just giving me shit, I think. This is not the one that's watermarked. So this might be it. Yes. right, so I'm going to let everybody know that they fucked up. This is what you all missed. All right, this VIP trade. This VIP signal was shared live. Right, come. All right, so here you go. All right, so this crypto. Send. Yep. All right, everybody. Let's go back. I'm going to answer. All right, sorry. Yeah, I'll explain to you. So what's up with gold? Hold on. I don't remember what I was talking about. I don't. Yeah, it's live. This is fucking live. So this is the trade that we took on the FTSE for everybody asking. Oh, there you go. So the FTSE. I'm going to explain my thought process on the FTSE, right? I don't know. We made money on that FTSE short. Now this was the FTSE. I'm going to go here. This was the FTSE when I started looking at it, right? And I just look at, I mean, I trade with the trend, guys. I trade with the trend. There you go. And right now, all right, sorry, hear me out. This is what I was looking at. Right, I was looking at, first of all, I was looking for shorts on the FTSE. Secondly, I looked at the FTSE taking out the sell side liquidity, right? If you notice, after the rebound, we got these lows right here. These are weak players in the market that are trying to dip buy after the break of the structure. No, that's a big no, right? And then when price broke with those lows, taking out these players, liquidity started to build up here. Those are weak shorts in the market, right? Because I don't trade breakouts anymore. I don't trade breakouts. What I trade are pullbacks. Now, because I get much better risk to reward ratio and I can manage my trade however the fuck I want. So the thing about this is that, right? First of all, price took out this liquidity. Then price took out the liquidity on the upside. Came back to my entry zone to the pip, and then went to my targets. And this is how it developed. No, where's the play button on this? Shit. And this is how it developed. So price, price went in. Hold on. I'm still holding a little bit of my footsie shorts. So price, as I told you, price just went in, took out this liquidity, triggered me in, and then boom, exploded to my targets. You know, it's just a much better way of trading. And the cool thing about having big risk to reward ratios, right, is that I can take a half off at 1R, then I took another half off or 66% off, and now I'm letting the rest of it ride. You know, I'm letting the rest of it ride. And if I get stopped out at break even, because now I'm at break even, if I get stopped out at break even, well, that's fine because I already made money on this trade. Very new to all this, just joined the group. Would anyone be able to help out a little more? Very interested and would appreciate it. I mean, TT Valum, just ask away, mate. Just ask away. No. Currently, I don't make live sessions in crypto, but right now, I don't do live sessions in crypto, my friend, but I'm going to start doing that next year. We are lacking in that department, I know, and yeah. So gold, I'm looking for longs in gold, to be completely honest. But where do I find them? Oh, I don't know why I'm so tired. Maybe it's because it's 2:41 a.m. here. Let's look at some other markets that we might trade, right? Everything. I mean, let's. We don't have anything on the economic calendar. Well, currently I don't know anything really, but if anyone could perhaps message me on Telegram and help me start up, that would be great. Please don't share your Telegram here, or I will ban you. You can't do that on my shows. So, gold. Gold is just rallying. All right, so apparently, I missed my opportunity. Let me just delete all of this. You know, apparently, yeah, just a heads up, TT Valum. You know, no hate, no, not hating or anything, just a rule that I have. So basically, I just missed the shit out of this one. This is the demand area that I'm trading. Right, and again, I'm explaining to you. So, yeah, I missed my entry here in gold, sadly, you know, but we made money on the FTSE, so that's fine. But again, same fucking thing. Look at this, right? Liquidity here, that means, weak players in the market getting taken out, blam, price mitigates my buy zone. Let's look at the actual power buy zone here. To the fucking pip. Mitigates my buy zone to the fucking pip. And this creates, right now, we would be, I mean, I don't do this because I don't care if I miss a trade or not. And I don't look in hindsight, but just so you can see, we would be on a 9R trade. We wouldn't be already. I mean, I would have already. I mean, and this is why I don't look at in hindsight on what I could have done, because I would have already taken most of my profits off of this trade, mate. Well, it looks like I'm about to get stopped out at break even on the rest of my FTSE short. So trading that was a great idea. What are these lines? All right, so yeah, GBP USD. Why don't we look for something else, guy? Yeah, this is day trading. What I do is, yeah, I day trade based on demand. When demand, supply zones, and liquidity. Let's go market by market to see if we can find something, right? US dollar, Swiss franc. Quick look. We're going to start with the 5 minute chart. This is very rangy. We might get some longs opportunity here. Actually, why don't we look at the US dollar, what the US dollar is doing. Let's start by looking at the hourly on the US dollar, right? I have some match. Dollar bill, yo. Hold on. Let me just do something. Here I'm gonna. Whoa, 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 whoa. Just a second, guys. All right. Just a second, guys. I'm just doing some marketing shit right at this moment. you know, you will have to excuse me, but I multitask. Right. So why don't we have a look at what the hell is going on? What would you recommend I research for your next show? Yeah, that's a good question. Oh, that's a good question. Why don't you go ahead and just just to learn about simple market structure and supply and demand, right? So this is the DXY, the US dollar currency index, and it's quite bearish. For our chart, we are very close to a key level here. We are at a massive key level here, but this is bearish. This is very bearish. I don't trade reversals myself unless they are fully verified, in the sense that just because the US dollar has hit and retested and rejected this key level, I'm not going to look for longs. This is still a short market myself. But now, if for example we get this kind of move on the US dollar, the USD breaking with the lows, then breaking with these highs, then coming back to this demand zone, then yes, I would look for longs, right? But now, shorts is the way to go. Short is the ways. Ah, son of a bitch. Uh, All right. So what's up? Any questions, guys? All right. I mean, Titi Valum, come here anytime. Oh boy, I don't want to share my Skype with you guys. Yeah, come here every. I mean, I'm live every day. You know, looking for trades. To me, the most profitable trading hours is the London Open, mate. So, yeah, this is what I do. I'm gonna keep on looking for trades. I'm gonna be here for another hour or so. So gold is not hot anymore because I missed on that move and I got stopped out on the rest of my UK 100 shorts. So it was a good decision to start taking profits. I know you have the All right, so updating my VIPs on the trade. Um, Stopped out on the rest of my UK one. Uh-huh. UK 100 short. Now we're looking for longs on the UK 100. I know it's counterintuitive, but I'll explain. Yeah, massive rally. Good morning, Tuesday. All right, so wow. Let's have a look at this. Let's see if we can find a possible long play here on the Hootsie. So, I'm going to delete everything that you see here on my Footsie chart, mates. Oh, yes. We might get something going on here. Now, the Footsie is a great market to day trade. Uh-huh. So here we have that last liquidity sweep, or let's call it inducement, right? Um, let's call it last liquidity sweep, you know? Then the market changed its character on the short term here. Now, let's have a look at the supply zone. That created this, you know, change of character. Now, to me, you know, personally speaking, to me, taking this low as a change of character or this low, it's a bad decision. You know, because you know, we are still in a bearish structure unless we break with the real previous high. Now, not only that, we have broken with new highs. That's cool. You know, that's also cool to see people trapped on the wrong side of the market. You know, shorts here. Everything is pointing out at a very bullish momentum. And what I'm looking at here is this order block as demand. So possibly we will possibly get some longs later here on the FTSE. Right, so this is very cool, guys. This is very fucking cool. We do have an imbalance here too. Uh-huh. And you know, I don't know if it is going to work out. I don't know if this is going to work out. But in any case, it's you know, it's not terrible to look at it. Let's have a look at the higher time frames. Mm. All right. So if you look at this, guys, um, uh, this is not a demand area at all. Yeah, no, I don't think we're going to go. You know, we're going to go down all the way here. Maybe, maybe not, but let's have a fucking look at what could be. Also, I can't pinpoint my power buy zone because I don't know if this is the real high of the move or not. So I'm going to wait and I'm going to put that FTSE on note. All right, so let's wait for this FTSE, but the idea behind this is that now, hold on, let me just delete this. The idea behind this is that now that you know the overall yeah, so it's from here, right? This is confirmed now. Oh, all right, so this is confirmed. We have that break of the structure here. Now the you know, now the what? Now the reversal is confirmed. I mean, nothing is 100% confirmed. You know, in when trading the markets, but my friends, this is absolutely confirmed. We have the mitigation. So my shorts were absolutely beautiful. Might I add? So the demand zone that got mitigated was here. So this demand zone that got mitigated was here. Now, then there's a couple of you know, a couple of zones that I wish I saw earlier, but that's fine. So what I'm looking at here is, of course, price coming back. So this is what I'm looking at, right? I'm going to use also a straight line here. Don't worry about it. After a breakout, what I normally like to see is this, guys. Now I haven't missed the move because there's a ton of things that need to happen before I take a long here at the breakout. So first of all, I need price to come down here and retest these previous broken highs, right? That is going to create, you know, sell side liquidity, right? So these are very weak players in the market that are trying to capitalize on the breakout, which doesn't work, right? And what normally happens is that price is going to stop them out. And I am looking at this entire zone as possible entry right here. This is the imbalance that I see in the market. Right here, the imbalance that I see in the market. Right? So what I'm looking for is this price coming back, taking out these lows, and then somewhere here starting to look for long opportunities, right? Because of the change of character and the breakout in this market that is now Confirmed. So, again, if we come back here, guys, if we come back here again, you always have to stay true to your entry models. For example, my shorts were excellent, right? But I wish I would have seen this before, but it's fine. And when I say I wish I would have seen this before, when my trade was in real profits, that I knew that this was liquidity, right? And I knew that we were in an extremely big area of demand on the higher time frames. But I stayed a little bit greedy on my trade, and what I should have done is quickly close everything here at the mitigation of this demand area and turn long after this, you know, after this. But it's fine, right? So this has been already gone, and but it's fine. Very probably we're going to get this move to the downside. So, any questions, guys, while we wait? So, this is on check. Why don't we go ahead and have a look at gold? Yeah, this looking gold just I don't know what to think. Or let's go to a 2-minute chart. Yeah, I don't know. So gold. Uh, let's visit this gold. I'm going to delete everything right here. So there is something, I don't know. I don't think we're going to get this because I mean this move is just super strong, and should price break with these lows and come back to this demand area, I don't know. It's quite difficult. There's tons of imbalances here. So I am not looking to trade gold today unless we get a real pullback. Pound US dollar, let's have a look at the pound USD, how the pound USD is moving. The pound USD broke to the upside and created now, my friends, a possible long opportunity. Remove drawings. Let's go to the GBP USD. Now this is very, very clear to me now. Yeah, we are going to look for longs right here. Right, so here's that order block that I am looking at all the pound. This is looking good. Let me show you. This is actually looking very good. All right, I'm going to sit straight up because I need to be very meticulous with this. So if you notice, here we have liquidity being built up, right? I'm not saying that this is going to happen, but very, very possibly this is what we're going to get. We're going to get those, hold on, let me show you targets first. Yeah, fuck it, I'm gonna show you targets. Again, we got these highs right here, previous broken highs, that we might get some retest action here. Then those weak players getting taken out, then these players getting taken out, price really mitigating that demand zone and then creating that big move to the upside. Now, the main reason that I'm looking at this is just because we are bullish. We broke with those highs, right? Now, let's see if that is in fact the high of the high of the move right into my power buy zone. I don't know if this is going to play out, but I'm going to Also, tag it. Now that we have broken to the upside, I'm no longer looking for shorts, I'm looking for longs, guys. That's how this works. And yeah, that the target area should be this around the 122.40 around institutional level, and eyeballing it somewhere like this for the supply, the unmitigated supply zone on the higher time frames, with these lows just being higher time frame liquidity, etc. So this should be the play on the pound USD. Boom. If this, if this plays out, we could be again, looking at a nice setup. But this is short, long. But you know what? I'm just going to wait and see what happens. I'm not going to place a buy limit here because this trade is, it's not that it's higher risk, but you know because of how close these lows are with my demand area, I might have drawn it incorrectly and demand area already been mitigated after this inducement. I don't know. So I'm going to have to wait and see. Let's move on. No, I said that gold. Just coming back. Wow. This is just so strong, right? I don't know if we're going to get back here. I really don't, but that's fine. All right. So, any questions, guys? Any questions? I've been live for an hour and a half, and I don't see anything really interesting. So, and if I don't get any questions, I'm going to log out. And my next trades are going to be for my VIPs only. Yup, yup, yup. I haven't even looked at the US dollar Mexican peso. Ooh. Yeah, but you know what? I'm not gonna trade the Mexican peso here. Pound yen. I'm not looking at the yen market just because we already missed that big move. But all right. I'm going to wait for this. Clearly, save. I'm going to. All right. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go through my chart. Right. I'm going to go through my fucking charts, just so you can actually see what I do. Right, 15-minute chart on this market on the USD CAD. This is choppy. This is a rangy market. But even if it's a rangy market, we might get some action here. No, I don't trade rangy markets. I'm going to delete these drawings. Yeah, this is so fucked up. I hate it. Now, this, however, oh boy, this, however, we might get some action here on the Kiwi. Oh, hey Orlando, let me know when you may do your live shows on mitigation levels, demand zones, and how you identify them, please. It's still pretty confusing. Yeah, sure, mate. I'm gonna do those very quickly. I need to prepare, you know, because yeah, I need to prepare them. But next year, man. Yeah, for sure. Next year. Don't worry about it. Of course, man. Anything you want. I mean, not anything you want, right? But anything that might help, everybody out. Right, so this is quite cool. The Aussie USD. I'm looking at the 5 minute chart on the Aussie. Um, all right. Are you guys with me? I'm sorry, I know you lost me for a second. So I was saying that we might get short here, but you know what? Yeah, I might have spoken a little bit too early. This is the 5 minute chart. Let's go to the 2 minute chart. Yeah, I mean, let's look at the 2 minute order block. Um, or 1 minute order. I mean, there is none. There's a big gap here that is looking imbalanced. Just a second, buddies. Right, so yeah, I'm not gonna trade the short side here. I might. I might. So on the 5 minute chart, here we go. I'm looking at this supply zone. All right. Also looking at imbalance here on the 5 minute chart. So all of this is very clear to me, right? All of this is very fucking clear. Now, am I going to take a short? So let's have a look. For example, on Aussie USD, I have a short trade at 6693. Six what? 6693. 6693. Yeah, that's exactly what I was looking at, mate. And I mean, I might get in on that, but there's a couple of things that I need to look at before. First of all, this market is very bullish on the short term, right? Big levels here. Not only that, this is a previous key level or the level that was capping the downside in this market right here. Important to notice also that, right? It's important to notice everything, but I need confirmation made. If I go to the 1 minute chart, this is what I want to see. I want to see price breaking with these lows, then coming back, retesting, failure high, and here's where I will take a short position. So this is some hot market that I'm looking at, and I'll keep on looking at it. Now, GBP USD here. Oh shit, there we go. Oh man, this is all because of you. God damn it. I don't told you. Oh, shite. This is because of you. But you know what? I might still get in on this trade after this close of the candle. Oh boy, I don't think I'm gonna get in. I think I missed it. Yeah, this is all kinds of fucked up. You know, this is because of you. Actually, yeah, this is because of you on this live show. Right. So, yeah, I'm not gonna get in on that trade. I might get in on this trade with the VIP team. Actually, I am going to get in on this trade with a zero point 0.5. Depending on what this candle does, you know, maybe it's giving me a better opportunity to get in. Hold on. Yeah, I might just get in. With my stop losses below these lows. With a 0.5%. Yes, I'm getting in. Apparently, it's coming back very, very fast. Yeah, getting in right now. 0.16. Boom. At market. I just bought at market. with a 0.5%. Yeah, new VIP trade. GBP USD. Buy at market at I don't remember 121.52 1.2152 with stop losses at 121.35 1.2135 and hold on 35 yeah 35 and the targets 122.30 for a oh, I need to 1.2230. All right, so I'm risking 0.5% to make about 2.8 R. That's fine. 2.8 R on this trade. Or so, I don't remember. Risk 0.5%. Oh boy. Looks like I might get stopped out on this one. But who knows? Who knows? I'm still liking it. Right. I'm gonna get on. I'm gonna keep this trade on. This is the GBP USD long idea that I had. Right. I really like it. I really like it because I mean, the GBP USD did exactly everything that I wanted it to do. Right. So that's why I got long. It did everything that I wanted it to do. Every fucking thing that I wanted it to do, it did. So I'm in, right? With that note, could you please take a look at your Aussie? No, mate, I'm not gonna do that. With that note, you know what? I'm going to turn this stream off. And thank you for joining me, guys. I'll be back tomorrow. I'm going to leave you with a 35% discount code, a 25% discount code for anybody that wants to join. Here's the 25% discount code, and I'm about to get stopped out, maybe on my you know, my stop losses are below these lows, so I might get stopped out on my GBP/USD shorts, longs. I'm sorry, which is fine. So that is the coupon code, and thank you for joining me. Bye.